In this classical conditioning experiment, Claudia and I are attempting to condition Shane to flinch and giggle to the word cat. So throughout the night, cat will be said aloud, followed by Tickles, hopefully forming an association between the word cat and laughing.
This will be taking the neutral stimulus of cat, combining it with the unconditioned stimulus of tickling to create the unconditioned response of laughing. Over time, hopefully an association will take place, and the neutral stimulus of cat will become the conditioned stimulus, combined with the unconditioned stimulus over time to create the conditioned response of laughing to just cat.
Press this one.
In the head.
Cat! Oh no, they...
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so hit the power!
Cat!
Stop shaking me so much.
Cat!
Is this one right
There's a
here?
gun there.
Yes. Yes. Press X.
Cat!
Stop!
Shoot him! More!
I'm
Let me try
You survived
Cat.
one round.
I got 5 kills and a headshot. I'm so proud.
Why are you...
it. Cat!
Cute. Cat!
I don't get tickled when I'm praying.
Cat!
In conclusion, our conditioning experiment worked. Shane now flinches or giggles at the word cat because we conditioned that response in him.